We both work for Enphase Energy, and we're here today to talk about some of the frequently asked questions that homeowners often have when they first start looking into getting solar and maybe battery storage.
A common consideration for homeowners when they're considering a solar installation is the age of their roof. What are the recommendations that you have if a roof is old or new or middle-aged?
Well, let's just start with the most common question or concern that I've heard over the years. My roof is aging. I don't know how old it is. I think it might be near the end of its life. Does it make sense for me to get solar if the roof is going to have to be replaced in a couple years? It's important to keep in mind how much money you're going to save right from the get-go when solar is installed, and compare that to the cost of having to remove the solar panels and reinstall them, because that's what you're trying to balance out. Typically, taking off and reinstalling solar panels is going to cost somewhere in the range of $2,000 to $4,000, depending on the size of the system. Now, you can start saving $2,000 a year right from day one when you first install solar. To me, if you have at least 5 years left in your roof, then it makes sense to get solar right away.
And then does the solar installer or the roofer take the panels off the roof?
Well, sometimes companies offer both services. Many solar companies have a roofing branch or vice versa. Sometimes they're independent, but solar companies will have a preferred roofer that they work with on a regular basis that they trust to do quality work. So typically the solar company will come in, remove the solar panels and set them aside. The roofing company will come in, do the roof. Sometimes they'll also install the supports so that it's covered by their warranty. And then the solar company will come back in and reinstall the panels, and voila, the system is up and running again within a matter of a couple of days.
So you really can get a solar installation no matter what the age of your roof is. It might make sense at any age because of the savings that you get immediately.
Yeah, I would agree.
Right on.
Yeah.
If you didn't get your question answered today, please email us at questions@enphase.com. We'll try to get to it next time.